Hey everybody, it's Steph again with PT to Go. Today I want to talk about posture. A lot of people that come to see me as patients with neck pain, headaches, shoulder pain, upper back pain, one of the first things I'm going to look at even as I walk in the door before I introduce myself is their posture. How are they sitting? A lot of times they're sitting like this. They're looking at their phone, they're reading a book, they're looking at a magazine, whatever it may be, but they're sitting in bad posture, and that is one of the easiest things that we can correct ourselves that can make a huge difference in aches and pains that we may get in this area. Everything we do is in front of us. We are on our phones, we're on our computers, we're looking at our watches, we are holding kids, we're holding pets, we're doing everything in front of us, and we just get rounded and stuck and tight in the front of our chests, elongated and stretched out and weak in the back of our chest and shoulders. And that just creates this imbalance that can create problems. So a lot of issues people have is with the upper trap muscles that kind of come up and connect into the head. And all of those muscles, you know, when we're in a bad posture, we're making them work like this. You know, we're still using our muscles when we're here, but those muscles are supposed to work here. Their optimum position is in that good posture to be working properly. But we're making them work down here, and so they're going to get irritated, they're going to get sore, they're going to be painful, and you're going to develop injuries as long as you keep sitting in that posture and keep doing the things you do. Keep using your head and neck, keep using your shoulders. So a few tips and tricks to correct posture, and a couple exercises that you can do every day to make sure everything is in a good alignment. You're going to prevent those things from happening. So one thing I try to tell people is I'm going to be in your head by the time you're done working with me. Overcorrect it. So go up beyond where it should be, come back about 10%, and that's ideal posture. That's where you should be. Now, is everyone going to sit like this all day, every day? No, that's not natural. I don't expect everyone to do that. But the more you are correcting it throughout the day, the stronger the muscles in the back of the shoulders and neck will get. The more stretched out the muscles in the front of the chest and neck will get, and the better alignment you'll have. The more those work better together more often, the less you will have to worry about it, the less you'll have to be correcting yourself, because your body is going to automatically want to sit up in that position. So here's a couple exercises, chin tucks and shoulder blade squeezes to do, again, throughout the day, multiple times a day, whenever you catch yourself. So chin tucks, I'm here, I'm up in my good posture, and then I'm just going to tuck my chin straight back. About a 5-second hold, keeping my eyes level, my chin is not going up or down, it's going straight back. I'm feeling a nice stretch up through here. If those muscles are tight, that's a good thing, that means they're stretching out. Okay, so straight back, fixes that alignment in the back of the neck and head. The other one is shoulder blade squeezes. So with that one, shoulder blades are going down and back. I'm going to turn around so you can see. So down and back, 5-second hold, down and back, 5-second hold, down and back, 5-second hold. So very easy one to do, very powerful exercises to fix that posture, fix that alignment, easy things to do throughout the day. You're not going to get rid of your phone, you're not going to get rid of your desk job, you're not going to quit making food for your family, you're not going to quit petting your dog or cat. So correct that posture when you think of it, when you realize it, when you're driving in the car. That's a huge place where I definitely find myself, like, especially at the end of the day, driving home, you know, stuck forward. Fix it. Pull that head back to the backrest, to the headrest. You know, fix it whenever you think about it. Make it a commitment, make it a routine, and then it's just easy. It gets easy. It's part of your day. You don't even think about it. So, easy thing to correct. First thing I want everybody to work on, if you have head, neck, shoulder, upper back problems, fix your posture. Easy things to do. Have a great day, everybody. Keep stretching.